In this video, I'm gonna show you how to restore your headlights so they look brand new. This should work on any headlights, but this is on my 2014 Ford F-150. All you need is some polishing pads I got from Amazon for $8.99 and some rubbing compound. This is turtle wax. Shake it up really well. Put a couple drops on your polishing pad and start polishing with your drill. Start slow, make sure you're not messing anything up. And I don't know if you saw it on top over there, there's some like film. It looks like some clear coat maybe coming off. So I taped up my headlights, and there you can see it right there. I want to get all of that off. Depending on how bad yours is, you know, it might take longer or easier to come off. Mine was pretty bad. This actually polishing wasn't really working for me. As you can see here, I'm checking out my progress right now, and it's getting better, but this is gonna take too long. The polishing pads come in different abrasiveness, so I decided to go with a more abrasive polishing pad. I think this is the most abrasive one. Put it on easy Velcro. Use my Ryobi drill, put a couple drops on there, and start polishing. Start slow. If you feel more comfortable, you could speed it up. Make sure you don't get it on your truck. I tape mine up really nice with some painter's blue tape, my favorite tape. And still wasn't really working. Mine was in really bad condition. On my other truck it worked, but you can see it right there, a lot of film. It looks like film. So I decided to sand it. This is a fine sandpaper. You can always start with like 1500, work up to 3000, and then it'll polish away nicely. You'll see it right here when I'm done sanding what it looks like. Wipe it with my microfiber towel. Use a microfiber towel so you're not leaving scratches behind. And use a different one, not the one that has all the sand on it. Well, it's not sand, just particles, whatever you call it. And you can see it as I'm polishing it, it's clearing up. Here we go, round 2. Try to cut a lot of it out so I wouldn't waste your time. But this is just like lots of polishing. And I just did the areas that needed it. Wipe it with my microfiber towel. Look at my progress. Starting to come together. It's looking good. Decided to do another round. I used the same polishing pad, but you could use a less abrasive one. I just wanted to save mine, and it seemed to work fine. It's just a polishing pad. And you can see all that film is gone. It's looking brand new. At the final layer, use the microfiber towel and some rubbing compound. This should give it a nice smooth finish. Use some elbow grease. Don't be a wimp. Don't break your headlights either. Get it nice and dust free, because you are going to do clear coat finish on this. Tape it all up. Get your Mcquire's headlight coating. This is a clear coat headlight coating. Easy spray on application. I start a little before the headlight, so Gets a nice even coat on. And that's about it. I just did one coat. You could do it twice, but you do this every 6 months, you never have to polish and sand again. Well, according to Mcquire's. I was really pleased with the results. Watching. That looks good. Those are $700 headlights.